is my bone broth, and as you can see, I have cooled it. I can't do it on camera right now, but I am going to remove all of this extra fat off of the top here. This is the kind of fat, you just don't need it. So I'm gonna come back, we're just gonna remove this, and then I'll show you what we'll do. This is what the bones look like when you're done with them. Those all had marrow inside of them. So the main thing is that middle of the center of that bone, I'm getting all the nutrients from this animal, every bit of it. So we took all of the stuff off, and now we're going to remove the bones. This one, look at that sucker. But like those little pieces of fat right there. So what I'm going to do is I am going to emulsify this and then strain it. Because yeah, it'll be good, but it'll be even better without all the chunkies. I'm going to emulsify some of it and not emulsify the rest. So we have liquid and we have soup type stuff, but it all has to be liquid going down, if that makes sense.